Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Ethics and Bias Detection. Building fair, unbiased, and responsible AI. Imagine you're building a robot that helps people make important decisions, like approving loans or diagnosing illnesses. That's the power of AI. But with great power comes great responsibility. Just like a car needs traffic laws to be safe, AI needs ethical guidelines. As developers, we're not just writing code, we're shaping the future, and we need to ensure our creations are fair, unbiased, and responsible for everyone. Think of an AI as a student who learns from examples. If you only show that student pictures of apples and tell them they're all fruit, they might struggle to identify a banana. AI bias is similar. It's when our AI learns unfair patterns or makes skewed decisions because the data it was trained on was incomplete, unrepresentative, or reflected existing human prejudices. From a developer's view, it means our AI isn't treating everyone fairly, and that's a problem we need to fix. Bias isn't magical. It comes from specific places we can identify. 1. Data bias. This is the most common. If you train an AI on historical data where certain groups were disadvantaged, e.g., fewer women in tech jobs historically, the AI might learn to disadvantage them too. Or, if your facial recognition AI only sees pictures of certain skin tones, it might struggle with others. 2. Human bias in design. We, as developers, make choices. What data do we collect? What features do we tell the AI to pay attention to? If we unknowingly select features that correlate with protected characteristics, like zip codes hinting at socioeconomic status, we can introduce bias. 3. Algorithmic bias. Sometimes, the way an AI learns can amplify subtle biases in the data, even if it wasn't explicitly programmed to be unfair. As developers, we need to inspect our data pipeline and our model choices. This isn't just theory. Biased AI hurts real people. Hiring. An AI resume screener might unfairly filter out qualified candidates from certain demographics because it learned from historical hiring patterns. Loan approvals. AI could deny loans to deserving individuals from certain neighborhoods or backgrounds. Healthcare. AI diagnostic tools might perform worse for certain patient groups if not trained on diverse medical data. Facial recognition. Bias can lead to misidentification, disproportionately affecting minorities. As developers, we must realize that our code has profound societal consequences. Good news. As developers, we have tools to find bias. We can write code to test our AI for fairness. Group performance metrics. Instead of just checking overall accuracy, we can check accuracy for different groups. For example, does our loan approval AI perform equally well, or equally fairly, for men and women? For different age groups? Disparate impact analysis. We can look for statistical differences in outcomes. If our AI rejects 10% of applicants overall, but 20% of one specific group, that's a red flag. Visualizations. Plotting data distributions and model predictions can often reveal hidden biases. This involves writing code to slice and dice our data and evaluation metrics to pinpoint where the unfairness lies. Once detected, how do we fix it? Even better, how do we prevent it? Diverse data collection. Actively seek out and include diverse, representative data when training your AI. Balance your datasets. Careful feature selection. Think critically about the inputs. Features you give your AI. Are they truly relevant, or could they indirectly lead to bias? Model interpretability. Asterisk, can we understand why our AI made a particular decision? Tools that explain AI decisions can help us uncover hidden biases. Fairness-aware algorithms. Asterisk, some advanced AI techniques are designed to actively reduce bias during training. Ethical design principles. Asterisk, integrate fairness checks throughout your development lifecycle, not just at the end. As a developer, this means being proactive. As developers, we are on the front lines. We have the power to shape these technologies responsibly. Ask critical questions. Asterisk, before you even write a line of code, ask, who might this AI unfairly impact? What data might cause bias? Single quote. Test relentlessly. Asterisk, continuously test your AI for fairness across different groups. Advocate for ethics. Asterisk, speak up in your teams and organizations about the importance of ethical AI. Continuous learning. Asterisk, AI ethics is an evolving field. Stay updated on best practices and new tools. Your choices truly matter in building an AI future that benefits everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.